Dear students, I welcome you all to this problem solution series in digital electronics. I am solving the problems from the book Digital Design by Maurice Mano and Michael Celletti. So in this video, I am solving the problem number 3.20 from the chapter number 3. The problem is draw the multi-level NOR and multi-level NAND circuit for the following expression. We are given here with an expression and we have to draw multi-level NOR circuit. That means we have to use only NOR gates to realize this function or this expression, and then we have to, in the second part, we have to use multi-level NAND gate, or we can say that we can only use NAND gate to realize this Boolean expression. Okay, first of all, let us simplify this function such that it can be drawn with only multi-level NOR gates. This f function is this one. So if we take f complement, what we'll get? So we have to take a whole complement here. A b bar plus c d bar whole into e plus bc whole into a plus b whole complement, because we have taken here a function complement. Okay, this is very simple. Just I have taken the complement, so whole function complement. Now let us consider this expression. This first term, we are given that we have, this is, if we consider it to be a or this to be b, a b. Okay, if we consider it to be a b, then what we can do, we can write it as a bar plus b bar whole bar. Okay, a bar plus b bar whole bar. If we consider it to be a, suppose a b bar plus c d bar, if we consider it to be a and e is b, then we have a into b. A into b, how we can write using De Morgan's theorem? We can write it as a bar plus b bar whole bar. So we'll write it as a b bar plus c d bar whole bar. Means this is a bar plus e bar. That means b bar. Then we have to take whole bar. Okay. Then here also what we can do, we can write it as bc. If we consider bc to be a and this term is b, ab, we can write it as a bar plus a plus b, this is whole bar. That means b bar, a bar plus b bar whole bar. Okay, then we have another complement, this one. Okay, now we can again simplify it as, if we consider this, now it is AB. If we convert using De Morgan's theorem, we will get A bar plus B whole bar plus C bar plus, from this term we will get C bar plus D whole bar. Okay, plus E bar, then we will again have whole bar. Okay, then we have plus, so here we will get b bar plus c bar whole bar plus a plus b whole bar, we already have. Okay, so again here we'll have whole bar and we'll have whole complement. That means this is the f complement function. So for finding out the f function, we have to find out first this f complement function, then we will have to use a inverter using NOR gate. Now let us draw this function. Okay, so now we'll draw the logic diagram. So we have five input variables a, b, c, d, and e. So a, so this is the input a. Then we'll use an inverter here and we'll find a bar here. Okay, then we have b, and b bar is also there. Okay, b, this is the line b input, and we will use an inverter and we'll get b bar here. Similarly c. Okay, and you will then use an inverter and we'll get C bar here. Okay, then we have D, and we'll use an inverter here and we'll get D bar here. Then we have E bar. Okay, so it is E bar line. Now what we have to realize this function. So what we can do, A bar plus B whole bar. This is A bar plus B whole bar. That means we have to use a NOR gate and we'll get A bar plus B whole bar here. Okay, then we have C bar plus D whole bar. C bar is this one. Okay, plus D, D is this. Okay, we'll use a NOR gate and we'll get C bar plus D whole bar. Okay, then we have E bar. E bar is this line. Okay, that means now we can add it as a plus b plus c whole bar. That means if we use a NOR gate here, we will get the whole this first term. Okay, so if we use a NOR gate here, we will get this function, this complete function. So we'll get here a bar plus b whole bar plus c bar plus d whole bar plus e bar whole bar. So here we'll get this function. Okay, similarly we will find out this one. So we have b bar plus c bar, b bar plus c bar. So b bar is this line. Okay, b bar plus c bar, c bar is this line. Okay, use a NOR gate and we'll get b bar plus c bar whole bar. Then we have a plus b whole bar. Then we have to draw a line from a and from b. Okay, use a NOR gate and we'll get a plus b whole bar. Okay, up to here it is complete. Now we have to add these two and then complement. That means we have to use here a NOR gate. Okay, and take this as two inputs and we'll get here this function b bar plus c bar whole bar plus a plus b whole bar and whole complement. So here we'll get this function. Okay, so we'll get this function here. Okay, now we have got this function and this function as well as this function. So okay, so a plus b whole bar. Then we'll use here another NOR gate. Okay, so we'll get here the f complement function, f complement. So here we'll get f complement, and if we use a sorted input NOR gate, then we'll get the function f here. Okay, so this is the solution of the first part of the problem. Now let us go to our second part of the problem. In the second part, what we have to do, we have to use NAND gate. Now suppose we find out the complement function, f complement equal to, so we have to take the complement of the given function. Okay, so a b bar plus, that means it is the given function I am writing here, c d bar whole into e plus bc whole into a plus b whole bar. So this is the given function and we have written as f complement, so we have put here f complement, so complement symbol. If we take 2 times complement of this function within bracket, then we can write it as a b bar whole bar into c d bar whole bar, it is whole multiplied with e. Okay, and from similarly from this function we'll get bc whole into a bar b bar whole bar. A bar b bar whole bar means a bar bar plus b bar bar. This is the same function. Okay, so again we have here a whole complement. Okay, now what we can do here from this term, so again we have to remove this plus symbol. If we remove this plus symbol, what we'll get, a plus b whole bar equal to, we can write it as a bar into b bar. Okay, so we'll write it as a b bar whole bar into c d bar whole bar. Okay, we have a complement here. Okay, then into e. Okay, so this is whole complement, that means this a term bar into this b term will come here and we'll have b bar here. Okay, so let me write down. So bc, we can write it as bc bar and again bar, because a bar, if it consider it to be a, then a bar and bar will be the same. Okay, so 2 times complement means the same function. Okay, I am taking this to make it simple, that means to use with NAND gate. Then we'll have a bar, this term only, a bar b bar whole bar. Okay, then we have again complement. Okay, got it. This whole term complement. This is f bar, and if we further complement this whole function, that means this will become then we'll get the function f. Okay, if we now find out f, then what will happen? This whole function will come inside this bracket and we'll get whole complement. Now let us draw the logic diagram. We have 5 input variables a, so use an inverter. Here look at a bar, and b, use an inverter here, and look at b bar here. Then we have c. Okay, c, we need not to find out the inverted one, only you draw the line c. Okay, you just check this function whether there is c bar or not. No c bar. Okay, so you directly draw this diagram. Then we have d bar. D bar, D is not there, so directly take D bar. So this is D bar input. Then we have E. So E, no E complement. Okay, so these are the input lines. Now we'll draw the circuit diagram using NAND gate. Okay, A, B bar, whole bar. That means A, B bar, use a NAND gate, and you'll get A, B bar, whole bar. Then we have, then again multiplied and whole complement. Okay, so C D bar, C D bar, use NAND gate, you'll get C D bar whole bar. Okay, then we have to multiply this whole function. That means now we have this term into this term whole complement. So we'll use a NAND gate here, and we'll get here this term, complete term. That means we'll get here A B bar whole bar into C D bar whole bar. Okay, so we will get this whole complement. Okay, then we have to multiply this function with this and then take complement. That means we have to use here another NAND gate. Okay, so E will come here to this one of the input. So here we'll get this complete function. This complete function will come here. Okay, I am not writing it. Then let us find out this function. Then we have BC whole bar. Okay, BC whole bar. That means B into C, B and C will be the input, and you will use a NAND gate, and you will get BC whole bar. BC, use NAND gate, and we'll get BC whole bar here. But we can see that we have another inverter. Okay, so what we'll do, we'll use here a sorted input NAND gate, and we'll get here BC whole bar and whole bar. Okay, then we'll have A bar B bar whole bar. That means we have to draw a line from A bar, and then from B bar, then use a NAND gate, and we'll get here A bar B bar whole bar. Okay, so now again we have to multiply this A bar B bar whole bar with this term. Okay, so we'll use here a NAND gate again. Okay, so we'll get here this second complete function. This function will get here. Okay, then what we can do, then we have to again multiply this term, and we have to take a whole complement. So use a NAND gate here, and we will get the given function f. Okay, this function, because we have whole complement here, a into this, so we'll get here the complete function f. So this is the logic diagram or circuit diagram of the given function using multi-level NAND gate. Thank you for watching. If you have any question, please put it in the comment section below. Also like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.